More than a dozen local high school students are back home this morning, but still a little shaken up after a wild ride from Miami. The group was on an American Airlines flight to Reagan National that made an emergency landing after running into severe turbulence. Philip Stewart joins us now live with more on what happened. Philip?
Well, Scott, good morning. Yeah, that group of about a dozen students and teachers were from Bethesda Chevy Chase High School, and as you mentioned, they are back home this morning, but they were among some 152 passengers on board American Airlines Flight 734, which was forced to make an emergency landing after it experienced some really tough turbulence over the Florida-Georgia border. The flight was bound from Miami here to Reagan National. Take a look at some of the video we have for you here this morning. This is actually passenger video that was shot on board the plane right after that turbulence. You can make out there one passenger wearing a neck brace and actually being treated for some of the injuries. Now, as we said, that flight had to make an emergency landing in Charleston, South Carolina. In total, 2 passengers and a flight attendant were taken to the hospital there. After a few hours, the passengers were eventually able to get on a second new plane. That took off, landed here at Reagan National about 5 hours late last night. We should also mention that American Airlines this morning says that that original aircraft in Charleston is going to be inspected, and they're going to check it out for any potential damage. But coming up in our next half hour, we will let you hear some of the first-hand accounts from the passengers, including some local students on board that flight. We're live at Reagan National this morning. Philip Stewart, ABC 7 News.
All right, Philip, it'll be interesting to get their perspective.